Here we go. First time boot up. First time building a PC. If it turns on, I think that makes me a god automatically. Hands down, like, you can't change my mind. Let's do it.
Hey everyone, welcome to InTheWorks. My name is HeHe, and this is a time-lapse build of my video editing /stream /gaming PC. So while the time-lapse is going on, I'm just going to go over some of the hardware for this PC. Starting off with the case, it's a NZXT H500 in white. For the processor, I went with a Ryzen 7 2700X. For the motherboard, I went with an Asus ROG Strix B450F gaming motherboard. For storage, I have M.2 Crucial P1 1TB NVMe drive, and I also have a 4TB Barracuda 3.5-inch hard drive running at 5400 RPM. For RAM, I went with 2 sticks of 8GB Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro, and also I didn't end up going with the stock air cooler, and I came with the Ryzen processor because I got a water cooler, which is a Corsair Hydro H100i RGB. It comes with a 240mm thick radiator, and it also comes with the LL120 RGB fans, and I ended up getting the box set of 3 as well because it comes with the RGB controller. And last but not least, one of the most important things that could probably ruin your PC if you cheap out, I went with the Corsair White Series RM750X 80+ gold certified fully modular power supply. Probably a bit of overkill, but this should be enough, right?
Here we go. First time boot up. First time building a PC. If it turns on, I think that makes me a god automatically. Hands down, like, you can't change my mind. Let's do it. Ugh.
And it was at this moment he knew. He stuck it in the wrong hole. Hey everyone, hope you liked my nubby PC build video. If you liked it, comment, like, subscribe, dislike. I love any kind of feedback. Also, I do live stream on Twitch. Link to my socials will be in the description down below. Until next time. I miss you already.